Hi, my name is Friday. Welcome to my channel. To my subscribers, thank you as always. And to those of you that are not subscribed, subscribe and join the fun. For the first craft, we want one of these gift bags and this frame. We'll cut it out to fit the frame. Next, I just took some glitter and Mod Podge and just a tad bit. And I'm just going to do my trees and a little bit of my sled just to give it a glitter. And by the way, I did tape it to the back of this. And then throw it in your frame and decorate the frame.
Now how cute is that? You really can't see the glitter. I did leave the glass on, but I just added a cute little bow and some embellishments. And my picture is hanging crooked. It's actually not going to go here. Okay, on to the next craft.
This is such an easy craft. Just take these wired garland ties and wrap them around your wreath form and continue all around. After you're done wrapping it, wrap it a little loosely, not bunched up together, and you only need 12 of them. And then I was going to put this on here, or maybe this. I just didn't like it. And then I found this truck. I'm going to break it apart because I also have this that I made with a large canvas frame from Michael's, and these are the little ones, and I just kind of glued it together. I'm going to put this there, my Merry Christmas sign here, and my truck in the corner. I think that's going to look so cute, and some ribbon up at the top. So let me finish decorating it and show you the final project.
Now how cute is that? Okay, on to the next craft.
For this next craft, you just need this sign and some cardstock. I want my stag to be the red. So I will trace this out. As you can see, I can't get this ear, so I flipped it over, and now I'll trace this side, and I'll cut this out, and Mod Podge everything. I forgot to mention, I will paint the edges white here and red here. I hope I am not the only one that changes their mind in the middle of a project. I didn't like the red after all, and I had this burlap cardstock that I got at Michael's, but you can easily make it with just a piece of burlap and glue your burlap to a thin piece of cardboard, and it becomes bonded. So that's what I used. Now I'm going to decorate it. And I didn't have to paint this because it kind of matched, so I just left that alone.
Now how cute is that? I did add some embellishment. I even added some berry garland to the antlers to make it look like, you know, he got tangled up in some berries. Okay, on to the next craft.
I love these glass cutting boards. They are great for lots of things. But I am going to Mod Podge. Actually, I'm going to be using sealant, this cardstock on the bottom of it. But you can do a photograph, material, anything, vinyl, anything you want. These things will pop off. Trust me, they pop off. And you want to save them because after my Mod Podge or my sealant dries, I will attach these back on with hot glue.
Now how cute is that? And quick and easy. These would make awesome Christmas gifts. Okay, on to the next craft.
For this craft, you want one of these buckets, and we're going to trace it on a piece of cardboard and cut out our cardboard to fit like right about here. Next, trim down a toilet paper roll so this will go in there like so. And now I am going to paint this white and my edges black. After your bucket is painted, throw some Mod Podge on the top. Just spread it around. And then throw some Epsom salt on there. Shake mine around and dump it out. Now I need to make some snowballs. I am using these table tennis balls, and this one had this black writing, and I just painted it, and I'm going to do the same thing. But make sure you put enough on there. Then I'm going to let this side dry, and I'll do the other side. And then I'll place all my snowballs in my bin and make a cute little sign.
And there is the finished project. Now, how cute is that? Okay, everyone, take care of yourself. Until next time.